Andrew White, 1917 to 2009, was one of the most celebrated American realist painters of the 20th century. Renowned for his detailed and evocative depiction of rural life, White's work embody a sense of nostalgia, quiet introspection, and an intimate connection to his surrounding over a career that spanned more than 7 decades. White produced a body of work that continues to resonate with art lovers worldwide. Born on 12 July 1970 in Cardsford, Pennsylvania, Andrew Neville White was the youngest of 5 children in an artistically inclined family. His career, White was permanent illustrator known for his vivid painting that combined classic like Treasure Island and The Lost of the Mohicans. Under his father's tutelage, Andrew was homeschooled and introduced to art, literature, and music, receiving a well rounded and unconventional education that laid the foundation for his artistic development. White's artistic training began early and was deeply influenced by his father's exacting standards. White encouraged him to master drawing before moving on to other techniques, emphasizing the importance of understanding form, composition, and light. Thought Andrew briefly experimented with abstract art. He quickly found his voice in realism, crafting highly detailed work that captured the essence of his subjects. White's art is characterized by its meticulous detail, subdued color plates, and a deep emotional renaissance. He worked primarily in tempera and watercolor, media that allowed him to achieve the fine texture and intricate detail seen in his landscapes and portraits. His muted tones and restrained use of color convey a scene of austerity and melancholy, creating an intimate and often contemplative atmosphere in his work. Much of Weiss' inspiration came from his immediate surroundings. He divided his time between Chatford and Cushing. Men and both locals served as central subjects in his art. His work often featured rolling hills, weathered barns, and stark New England landscapes, populated by ordinary people whose life he with profound sensitivity. One of White's most iconic painting, Christiana's World 1948, brought him international acclaim. The painting depicts Christiana Olsen, a neighbor in Kuzing, Manyang, lying in a field and gazing toward her farmhouse in the distance, rendered with striking detail and a hauntingly somber mood. The work captured both the resilience and of his subjects. It remained one of the most recognizable images in American art and in housed in the Museum of Modern Art in New York City. Despite his popularity with the public, Voigt's work was often polarizing among art critics. Some praise his technical mastery and emotional depth, while others dismissed his style as over sentimental or aggressive in an era dominated by abstract expressionism and other avant-garde movement. White himself remained unfazed by critical opening, focusing instead on his personal vision and commitment to realism. In the 1980s, Voigt surprised the art world with the revelation of the Helga series, a collection of over 240 paintings and sketches of Helga Testorff, a neighbor and frequent model. The work